What's up, YouTube? This is Guy, and I'm gonna continue from the web scraping video I made the other day or yesterday. And we're just gonna get into more depth on how to get cleaner output and what modules to use, just make things easier for you. So remember our last output, it was just reckless HTML tags that were holding the values we were looking for, but we never got rid of the HTML tags. We went straight text. And sometimes when it didn't find the class names we were looking for, it just returned none. So we want to get rid of that. Now for the HTML part, there's a module named HTML to text. So let's install that. HTML, the number 2, and text. Okay, so install that. From here, I'm going to import it. The class, from that, import the function itself. From the module or the class, whatever you want to call it, import the function. And also here, it really makes more sense to just map through within the body tag. There should only be one, so don't have to use find all. Excuse me. Most of them highlighted it earlier. AMUS. Okay. And for the list tags, instead of looking through the entire HTML tag, we'll just look through the body tag itself. Okay, make sure that still runs. Yeah, obviously, you see we get less nuns than before. Okay, so this is where we're saving file. You guys remember that. So magic happens. Now here, let's get rid of the nuns first. All right, so So this is where it's writing to the file. So if none is in this current line, continue because we don't want it. Else, write it. I could have did that a lot easier, just if it didn't have none, then write it, but I want the code to speak out loud too. So we'll also print if it's there, so we're not just printing nuns. And here we'll get rid of the HTML tags. You just use it as a function, really. Thanks. Okay. Might as well put a comment here. Say voiding. Yeah. Avoiding none values here and removing the HTML tags here. So that's simply it. Now let's see how the output looks now. You see it's a lot more cleaner, which should also mean the CSV itself is 1,000,000 times cleaner than what it used to be. And that's about it. From here, you can still dig through whatever page you're on, what you're actually looking for, and just use the HTML to text to clean up the tags. And yeah, a lot of things people use web scraping for is kind of something we were reaching for here, is like getting item names and prices, but the purpose of that will be like the best prices of a certain item, so it might be like an affiliates page you're making for shoes, and you're getting all the cheapest prices for a certain type of shoe or brand that you want to display or promote. Some other people, I've seen them do like outputs of recent jobs that you can apply for, because a lot of apps, well, most apps that all the apps that people use now, like Indeed, LinkedIn, um, Job Seeker, or whatever that last one's called, those will have like applications and requests from HR people or whoever's trying to hire you that they didn't even take down yet, but the job's already filled. So you'll see that it's there for 30 days or over, but there's no point, or you don't even feel like applying for it because how late you're seeing it. So some people will make like little affiliate apps that just only show you recent ones. So yeah, or whatever you're using it for, drop it in the comments. I would love to know that. I know everybody else would too. Or if you did this a different way, like getting rid of your HTML tags, drop that down in the comments. I want to see how you did that. And I will update this to the GitHub that I shared in the last description. And this should definitely get everyone started or have a great start on web scraping with Python. It's fairly easy. You see, it only took like 60 lines of code, really. If you take away all the white space, it's like 60 lines. And yeah, that's about it. If this helps you out, like it, share it, subscribe, maybe. Um, drop down in the comments if you have anything to add, any requests for any other videos. Just communicate. So until next time.